শুরু।
Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Dear students, you know that my continuous discussion about English 1 9 vocational, that is, I was discussing about the grammar portion. In my last class, I discussed about voice from active to passive, and I discussed some rules about that. Okay, dear students, today I am discussing about same topic, the voice. This is the past perfect tense. Students, when you will see any sentence past perfect tense, past perfect tense, you know that the past perfect tense is some task is started some time ago and it is going on. So we are extracting this tense. About first of all we set the subject and then the object verb had, and then the remaining part object or other words if necessary. Students, when you will get the past perfect sentence, that is, I am writing a sentence. Example, notice that he had told the story. Told the story. This is past perfect tense. He is subject. Had is auxiliary verb. Told is verb 3 or verb of PP. That means verb of past participle. And the story is an object. So, students, now I am changing this sentence into passive voice. So, interchange, I shall change the subject in the object place and the object in the subject place. The story, and then I am using here an object verb had been. Then I use verb of past participle, that means told. The story had been told by he. The object of he is him. What is the structure of this sentence? So the object from subject, then had been, then verb of PP, then by, then object subject. So now students, now I am discussing about another rule. You know that in your question paper you will get various types of sentences. All these sentences are of all various tenses, various form and various rules. So you should understand all the sentences, what type of it is, then you will solve the problem. Now I am discussing about, and if you will will get an active voice some models. I am writing here some models. Model verb, that means models. If we will get shall on a question paper, will, can, could, going to, etc. When you will change this sentence, I am writing an structure object. It will be subject. Then you should add here be and verb of be. Then by, then subject will be changed object. So dear students, I am writing an example here. You know that in your sentences you will, that is, I can give, him some money. This is active voice. That some money can be given him by me. So we should change in this type. Students, now I am discussing about double object. You know that the double object, if you will get in any sentence double object, what will be changed from the two object? Double object is very important for you. This type of sentence you will get on your question paper in the exam. So I am writing here an example. Students, I gave him a book. This is an example, double object. Double object. Example, I gave him a book. I gave him a book. Students, look at the board. I wrote a sentence on the board. Notice that I gave him a book. In this sentence, there are two objects. Here, two objects. One, him, the personal object, and this is a book. This is not personal object, this is thing. So what will change here? So I should change here any of the subject. Of course, the priority, the personal object will be changed. So him, he was given a book by me. This is the solution. If you want, you will take a book in your subject. Of course, the priority is changed. The personal object should be made subject. Now I am discussing about reflexive pronoun. Students, you know that you will get some pronouns adding self. This is called reflexive pronoun. So this type of sentence we will get here on your question paper. What will be changed here? How we will change this type of sentence? Reflexive pronoun, some reflexive pronoun. you will get pronouns, some reflexive pronouns. Look at the board. Myself, myself, ourselves, ourselves, yourself, yourself, himself, himself, herself, herself, themselves, etc. These are reflexive pronouns. So you should use the structure unchanged, unchanged subject plus auxiliary verb plus verb of PP, that means past participle form, plus by plus reflexive pronoun. The pronoun you got on the question paper, same pronoun you will use there. Students, now I am writing an example for you. She killed herself. Suppose she killed herself, and this herself is a reflexive pronoun. This herself is a reflexive pronoun. So we call it a reflexive pronoun in reflexive passive voice. So now I am changing this sentence into this structure based on this unchanged subject. That means I use here only the same word, the subject same, and then I use here auxiliary verb. Why? Because the killed is past participle form, so I use here only was. Then I use here past participle. That means the killed, the same, and then I should use here by, and then the reflexive pronoun herself will not be changed. So I use here the herself here. So this is the solution. Students, in this type of sentence you will get on a question paper. No doubt. Don't worry, you will make it easy. Okay. Now I am discussing the rule number 5. The another form of the voice, and this is very important for you. In a question paper, you will see in this type of sentence every time. So don't worry. Now you should note down the sentences or the words. Now I am writing some word about that. Make, hear, feel, compel, know, behold, watch, etc. These types what you will get on a question paper. We should use there only two, but I am writing an example for you. I make him write the letter. Actually, we should use there an infinitive too, but in passive sentences you will write here in this time. That means I am writing here subject. He was made, the verb PP, make, and I am adding to the food the base form of write. He was going to write the letter. This is object. The letter by me. Okay. This is so much for the day. It's the end of the my class. Students, you know that your exam will be held today tomorrow. Don't worry. You should follow the actual rules about the voice and should practice at your home every day for 5 sentences and note down. You will note down at your on your notebook every 5 sentences, and you will correspondence with me, communicate with me by mobile phone, even real here. If you come to school and you will give me some message by Facebook page and YouTube page or WhatsApp page. No doubt. So don't worry. You should stay at your home. Don't go out without wearing any masks. Be stay and be healthy. Thank you all.